So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can clear your disk space in MacBook. So if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So guys, sometimes the storage can be very high and you would just have to delete many apps to clear your disk space. So guys, just go ahead and open your system settings first and tap on storage right here in general. Once you tap there, you can see your storage and you can see many options. Either you could store them all in cloud and delete it from your device, or you can optimize storage by removing movies and TV shows that you've already watched from this Mac or things that you no longer need. So just go ahead and go through everything that you have on your Mac and decide what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep. And if your trash is also filled, go ahead and delete your trash too. Just go through everything and delete anything unnecessary, and then you'll be able to clear some disk space. So guys, that's how you clear disk space in MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.